talking about Guru, beginners and advanced. Beginners, if you don't have a Guru, your Ishta is your Guru. Don't worry. Are we clear? Pray. If you don't have a Ishta, Om, 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 Om. No problem. Just do your sadhana. Secondly, when you get a Guru or when the Guru comes in your life, if the Guru tells me, I am your Guru, follow me, run away. Honest answer. Secondly, you may have many Gurus in your life. Many, many Gurus. But there will be only one Sat Guru. Sat means reality, and Guru who can take you to the highest or remove darkness, whatever you call it. When you meet your Sat Guru, you will come to know. There will be no questions, there will be no answers, but also depends upon how dangerous the Guru is. Because even in Gurus, there are multiple categories that we can't even think. In fact, there are few Gurus who just do their job and they go. And there are few Gurus who will come in your dreams and talk to you. There are few Gurus who will stay with you, be with you like normal human beings. You won't even come to know. And when they want to show glimpses. So that is another territory. My point. And third, which is the most important for a Guru, don't get attached to the body of the Guru. Please. Your Guru is within you. Hold on to that. The Guru will come whenever is required, because the highest Guru is Mother Nature, that is Shakti. Or call it Shiv, or call it Hanuman, or whatever energy you are worshipping, that will guide you. Are we clear with this? Don't worry about Guru. My path is jump in the well, jump in the ocean. You will learn how to swim. You will be given hands and the Guru will come. So don't have an excuse that, oh, I'm not getting a Guru, I can't start my sadhana. Oh no, when will the Guru come? I've been waiting, Guru is not coming. Our Guru also knows when to come. A Guru knows that you're calling out. A Guru knows when you're born. A Guru knows everything. The question is, are you worthy to face him, her, whatever? You should be worthy, and that is your process. Are we clear?